Welcome to the Tetrion Powerfil how-to video, where we'll show you how it can be used to tackle the toughest of repair jobs in and around the home. Tetrion Powerfil is a super smooth, multi-purpose, two-part filler, ideal for both small and large projects. The kit contains a hardener, a spreader, and a mixing dish. To begin with, prepare the problem area, ensuring that the surface is free from dust, dirt, oil, grease, and moisture. Primer bonder should be used to stabilize the surface. In a well-ventilated area, mix the filler following the ratio of 50-part filler to 1 part hardener using the spreader provided. Only mix enough for the job at hand. You should also ensure to wear gloves as the mixture is tacky. Be mindful that Powerfil will get hot after a few minutes due to the fast-setting nature of its curing process. Then simply apply the filler using your spreader. Once it has been applied, Powerfil can be cut using a crafting knife for up to 2 minutes before full hardness is achieved. It will cut like rubber, allowing you to shape the filler as required. You should then allow 20 minutes for the filler to fully cure. Wear a dust mask while sanding down the filler. Once sanded, paint over as required. Now we'll show you how Powerfil can also be used for repairing a chipped skirting board. Ensure the area is dry and free from dust, and mask off any areas you wish to protect. As shown previously, Powerfil can be cut using a crafting knife for up to 2 minutes, allowing you to shape it as required, before then allowing it to dry for 20 minutes. Once shaped, simply sand down any raised excess and paint as required, and you should be left with a smooth, professional finish. Now we'll show you how to use Powerfil to repair common garden ornaments and masonry, such as a plant pot. Ensure that the surface is dry and free from any mud, dirt, or grease. Simply apply the filler and repair any broken pieces as required before allowing 20 minutes for the product to fully cure. Once dried, sand down any raised excess as before, and you will be left with a smooth finish. And as Powerfil is fully waterproof as soon as it is cured, there'll be no need to protect the area once repaired. Here we have a lab demonstration illustrating the strength properties of Powerfil. First, we will mix the filler and apply to the center of pre-prepared bricks that have also been bonded together using Powerfil. A hole is drilled into the cured Powerfil and a hook secured into place. After just 20 minutes, the whole 10-kilo stack of bricks can be suspended from this simple hook. Powerfil can also be used to repair concrete steps, various other damaged stonework, and holes in concrete.
Tetrion, fill, stick, bond.